we're gonna talk about the different way to place an order on MT4 and MT5 platform. They are pretty much the same, okay? The first thing that we're gonna see is this one, the new orders. When you open this window right here, you can see here, here you can put the symbol that you want to trade. For example, here I have the Bitcoin on the chart, and you have the type of market execution. You have the market execution or the pending order. Let's say we wanna open a market execution. Here you put the volume. Here you put the stop loss. I will put a random stop loss right here for a long trade like this. And you can put also the take profit. The take profit, you can put it now or maybe later. I will put it right now. Okay. And yeah, now you can just press this button right here, buy, and your order will be executed in on the chart, right? And this is the stop loss. Perfect. If you want to move, for example, your TP here is pretty much, tight from the entry, you can just drag it on your chart right here like this, in this way. And let's say that you want to modify also the stop loss. You can grab and drag like this, right? And there's another way. Actually, let's say that you want to modify, for example, this order right here. Maybe like, let's say you want to take a partial of this trade. What you can do the right click right here, somewhere down here, and do like modify right here. And when you come here, you can modify, you see right here, the stop loss, the TP, you can modify it manually. As I do not change anything, this button right here is not lighting to say, like, to press like OK or to enter, so I will close it. Now I was saying about the partial. You come down here with below volume, and the right click or maybe the double click. You can do also the double click right here in the volume value, and you come down here and you can just like change the volume. Let's say that I will change it to 0.08, something like that, right? And it's asked me if I want to close the portion right here, and I say close it. Okay, we have seen. So I close from that trade. The volume was 0.1. I close actually 0.08, right? A lot from that trade. And you can go down here in the history down here, and you can see that here that I've closed this portion of that trade, right? So that is one way actually to open, to modify the trade, and to maybe close even a partial, right? Let's say that I want to enter. I will show you another way to open the trade. Let's say that I want to close this one right here. You can just click like here, close, and it will close the trade. Another way to open a trade is like you can do it from here directly. Let's say that I want to go long by pressing here. I will have a trade open on my chart right now, but I do not have the stop loss. So to have the stop loss, you can come down here, double click with the left, and this window will open, and we can insert manually the stop loss that you wanna uh, to put, right? So right here I did it. I put the stop loss and the take profit, and I can press right here modify, and you can see that I have both on my chart. And the TP is too tight, so if I want to move it, I can just grab and drop right there. Okay, those are two ways actually to open a trade on MT4 and even an MT5. Okay, it's the actually the same. And let's show you another way to do that. I will close the thread, this thread right here, close it, and let me bring down. Okay, if you come here in tool, right here in tool, you can see even here new order, and from here you have again this window where you can put and place the trade and so on. Now let's say that I want to open a pending order, right? Like a buy limit, okay? If I want to open a buy limit, let's say that I want the price to the trade to open once the price is around uh 107,000, okay, something like that. So I will put here the price 107,000, and the stop loss, let's do something random below, right? And for now the TP I will do that something like that, okay, place. Okay, now we have everything on the chart, right? So when the price will reach this level right here, the is we trigger the buy order, the stop loss is here, the TP is there. Okay, so is here below, so the price have to come back and so on. So guys, those were some example to how to open a trade on MT4 and MT5. Hopefully that has been amazing. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button below, and turn on the notification bell for the next video. Enjoy and see you soon. Ciao!